Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I want to talk to you about what I do with my free shares when I get them from Robinhood, and specifically what I'm going to do with this stock, AMRX. Now, this company is very interesting. Robinhood has given this company out to their shareholders for people that sign up. It's one of the free shares that you can get. I did receive a free share of this at total return of $4.62. Average cost was a 0.00. So it's pretty interesting that we were able to get a free share of this. Not something that you would really want necessarily, and let me tell you why that is. Now, the stats on here isn't very helpful as far as the background between with AMRX, but as you can see, their Q4 earnings is definitely down. A little bit about this company, though. The founder is CEO is Chintu Patel in New Jersey, founded in 2002 and employs 6,000 people. Now, this is a pharmaceutical company, and basically what I was able to gather is that this company is down. I mean, it is down a lot. It looks like in year-to-year revenue, it is down 20%. Net income, it is down almost 4,000%, and this is going off of the just a finance, Google Finance on the computer here. Looking at some of the stats, you guys can pull these up if you want. It's showing a net profit margin of negative 70%. Which isn't really good, guys. I don't really see this company coming back. I mean, look, in a year on Robinhood, it's saying it's down 61%. So in this regard, I would probably sell this company. They're not really giving me any good insight on it. If I go to Yahoo Finance, they're basically saying that this company has a forward PE ratio of 9.37. And, that's good, but not if it's really not making any money. I mean, they're saying that the AMRX holds a value grade of A, which I can't see as well either. Maybe for the price point that it's in, possibly, because on the Google it was saying that it was at like $45 or $50 at one point, which is a really high amount of money. But here it didn't get initiated until around the $17 mark. Went up to $24 here. Let me try to get to it. September 7th, 2018, and then it dropped all the way down to $4. So, I mean, these people who invested here, people who invested at this mark, 24, and did not sell, are losing $20 per share. Now, they're probably doing this like Zynga. Zynga actually took a really bad dip, and then through giving free shares and maybe publicity, it has really bounced back a lot. But this company, I'm just not seeing that is going to happen. So I'm definitely going to sell this company because there are other financial institutions that are selling these percentages of shares or downsizing, which I don't blame them. One of Vanguard's holdings took money away. Believe T. Rowe Price or T. Rowe, something like that, also sold some shares of this as well. If you guys want to get into more of that, you guys can Google that, but this is definitely going to be a sell. So for everyone out there, I am just going to simply go to trade here. I'm going to go to sell. And the thing about selling this is you can sell a free share, I believe, after 3 days. You could sell it, and then you could put your money back into it. Now, I'm going to do it at the market price. I don't really care that I got it at around $5, and it's down a few cents. It doesn't really matter. It was free. I'm going to swipe up here. Order completed. So there we go. We just sold it. Commission paid was 0. Price per share was $4.61. So that's my total credit. Now, because of that, guys, I am able to get out of this position. It was free money for someone signing up with the link. And if you guys want to do that, you could sign up with the link below this video and get your free share. If you've never signed up with Robinhood before, you will get one free share. I will get one free share. It's pretty cool. So I did sell this today, $4.61. Now I could use that money and reinvest into the Robinhood and buy more stocks. Or if you have a free share, you have a 30-day waiting period or a holding period on free shares until you are able to sell them. Once the 30-day limit is up, you can sell the free share or the money from the free share, and then you can withdraw that money out of your bank account. Now, that's not typical for every share. If I bought a share today, I could sell it the exact same day, and that'd be considered one day trade. I could sell it the following day and say I wanted to take the money out tomorrow. I believe it's only about a 3-day waiting period and you get your money. So a lot of people get confused with that. Thought it'd be a helpful tip, and I hope you guys watch till the end. Appreciate you guys. And we're actually almost to 900 subscribers. So if you like this video, smash that like button so YouTube will find this helpful for people. And don't forget to subscribe. Guys, have a great day.